Welcome to the opening of the 2026 DTI Bagong Pilipinas National Food Fair. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here.
For the next 5 days here at the Megatrade Hall, we bring together more than 335 MSMEs, food-based, from across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, each representing not just a product but a story of the Filipino enterprise.
Sa National Food Fair, ang laki po ng maitutulong sa inyo. Marami pong institutional buyer ang napupunta dito.
Through the help of DTI, of course. They're the one who really helps us. Different workshop, trainings, nakapagpa-FDA kami.
So together, this trade fair is not just a marketplace. It is a platform where Filipino MSMEs are prepared, they're positioned, and they are connected to grow.
Congratulations to the Department of Trade and Industry for bringing together over 320 MSMEs from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. That is not just a number. It is 320 bright ideas, turning local harvests into national pride.
This fair is proof that when we provide the platform and the right support, Filipino MSMEs can succeed both locally and globally. Every time you support a Filipino product, you help create jobs and strengthen our local community. The Philippine government is behind you, ensuring that you have the support and the platform that you need to make sure that you get things done and so that mag-grow din ang mga negosyo ninyo. The DTI's commitment is simple. We will continue to support you as best and as aggressive as we can.